Hi Carmen, let's take a look at how to find your assessment strategies. You can see on the screen that I've already logged into WIDS and I'm at the home page. I'm going to pop in your course number here, right at the home page in the search box. I'll go ahead and look for your course. There it is, the clinical, the intro to clinical. I'll double click the course name and let LIDS load that information. At the left hand side I'm going to click course competencies, and then again once that expands, then again I'll click course competencies, this time in the white section. I'll let that load up, and in the middle I'm going to click performance standards. That's where we find our assessment strategies. So for this unit, go ahead, this is the assessment strategy that I want you to submit. Notice that they're very general. It can be oral, written, or performance assessment. That's to give you, the instructor, the ability to pick the specific assessment that'll work best for you and your students. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time.